Hi guys, so today is Sunday and this is the first day of our exam for the entire week. At ito ay para sa aming finals. So ayun, konti na lang. Almost done na sa pagiging estudyante, praise God. And yun, I just wanted to record the last week, the final week of my college day. And just for compilation and also for memory.
Bakit?
So guys, hindi na namin. Ito school namin. Guys, dati kami ng ROTC.
Paano mag-win?
Okay lang yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Hi guys, so it is the second day of our final week and sadly I'm feeling sick. May sipon ako and ubo. No, pero yun, laban and isang exam kami today and then tomorrow is the mock board. Guys, I'm so fat guys. Hopefully, ayan, nag-lag. And hopefully, hindi na lang ako puro reklamo sa susunod. Hindi na lang puro daing na malaba ako, pero I will work on it. Well, I'm trying to work it out, pero ang hiro talaga, ang sarap kumain. Food is life. So, I'm about to go na sa school. God bless me. God bless sa exam. And hopefully,